This next song I always loved hearing. Of course, my dad always had the Sicilian music when we were growing up. And this one here was particularly funny for me when I heard it. And it always reminds me of my dad. But it's a song about skipping some steps, where these couples in Sicily, people never really stayed with one another or lived with one another. They got together and they got married. And this is a song about skipping a few steps in a relationship. Comu Cugghieru li Beddi Pira. Grazie, grazie.